Part removal seems like an arbitrary operation in regards to 3D printing, but it is extremely important in regards to keeping your printboard level. First-time printers typically think that it is safe to remove a part without removing the printboard. Sometimes parts stick more than others, and removing stuck parts without first removing the printboard can throw the printboard out of alignment. In this video, you will learn the proper part removal technique that will ensure the life of your printer as well as your printboard. Today, we will be working with the printboard, the rear printboard clamps, the front printboard clamp, and the blue thumb screw. We will also use the scraper that came with your 3D printer. Notice the flat bottom and beveled top of the scraper. This specific style of scraper must be used as other versions have a higher potential of damaging your print surface. Please note that different print surfaces may require minor alterations to the print removal process. We recommend using build tack, and the process shown here is specific to that surface type. You can see that there are 3 printboard clamps holding the printboard. The front printboard clamp can be moved by first loosening the blue thumb screw, while the rear printboard clamps are fixed in place. Before attempting to remove your part, wait for the print to completely finish. If you need to prematurely stop a print for any reason, on the LCD display, press the selection wheel to enter the menu. Then select and click Stop Print. On the LCD display, press the selection wheel to enter the menu, then select and click Prepare, then select and click Cool Down to cool the hot end. Lower the printboard if necessary. Loosen the blue thumb screw by turning it counterclockwise. This will allow the front printboard clamp to slide out and away from the printboard. Pull the printboard slightly forward and lift it out of the printer. Take the printboard to a clear flat surface. Place the scraper parallel to the printboard so you don't gouge the build tack. Start by scraping and removing the skirt, then use the scraper to remove your part. If you are having difficulty removing your part, inspect your part for a raised corner or an area to insert the scraper underneath to provide better leverage. If all else fails, you may need to use a hammer to tap on the back end of the scraper until the part releases. This could potentially damage your part, so use caution when doing so. If that happens, you should go back through the Z-axis calibration process because your hot end is too close to the printboard. Once the part is removed, be sure to remove all leftover printed material from the printboard with the scraper. Slide the printboard into the 2 rear printboard clamps, making sure they seat properly. Slide the front printboard clamp in until it is snug and square against the cutout in the front of the printboard. Then tighten the blue thumb screw by turning it clockwise. Inspect the printboard to make sure it is sitting properly into the clamps. An improperly installed printboard can result in poor print quality or damage to the 3D printer. Once you are satisfied that the printboard has been installed correctly, you are ready to run another print.